guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, super exciting, I'm going to be redoing my home office and I thought I would show you guys the whole thing from start to finish. I didn't get like specific before clips, but I'm going to try and include clips I have from previous videos in here. So as you can see, we had like a giant bookshelf behind the desk that I worked at. And the desk that I worked at was kind of like in the middle of the room in the office. But I decided that I needed a separate workspace to do like YouTube stuff for like my more personal side hustle type stuff, and then my desk for my 9 to 5. So I decided to move my office around, do a complete revamp of it, and I thought I would share it with you guys. So here we go. So first things first, I got a new desk. So this is just a basic desk I got from Walmart. It has like a wooden top and the legs are metal. And it's just a very simple desk. I knew that I wouldn't need any more drawers or anything. I just needed a place for my laptop. That was basically it. So I just got it super simple. This is the same office chair I've been using for my work desk. I'm just gonna move it back and forth between the two desks. I don't know if I'm gonna get a separate chair yet or not. We'll see if I find anything that's a good deal, but for now, this is what it looks like. So I put my work desk by the window like this, and I still have like my drawers and then all my storage, my printer, all that I kept the same. I got my diffuser set up there, but now this wall is blank. We got rid of the big bookshelf that we had. We actually sold it, which was good because we got it for free, so we made a profit off of it. So that was a good score. And we got this new bookshelf. It's a white bookshelf from Josh's mom and stepdad's house. They were getting rid of it, so we got this one for free, which was awesome. So yeah, that's where we're at now. And my plan is I want to set up like a gallery wall back here so that I could film like sit down videos if I wanted, and I could have like a nice pretty backdrop. But also I've always wanted to have a gallery wall. So now that I have this empty space, that's what we're gonna do. I should probably wait to do this until after we paint the walls, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from TJ Maxx Home Goods to try and attempt this gallery wall. So I'm going to just say TJ Maxx Home Goods for everything because the store I went to, it's like a combination of both stores, so I don't know which was from TJ Maxx and which is from Home Goods. It's the only downside. But first I got this. It's like a little pen and office supply holder, and it swivels, so kind of like a Lazy Susan, and it's got pretty like flowers and butterflies on it. So I got this to put on my desk. It just has like my favorite pens, highlighters, sticky notes, all that fun stuff. And then I got this little nameplate that sits on my desk. It says choose kind. These are a couple things I got off of Amazon just to go on top of my desk to go with my laptop setup. So I got this, just a wireless mouse, but it is white and silver. And then I got this mouse pad. It has like the little padding right here for your wrist. Just has like a cute floral design on it. Super affordable. And it came in like one day. I love Amazon. I also have this laptop stand that I got to raise my laptop. And it is adjustable, so I can make it like taller or shorter depending on what I want. And the laptop just sits on it like this. And this is just a little basket I had from the Dollar Tree, just to put like my microphone, some extra cords and things like that, just so that they're all in one place. But yeah, anything that I can find online, I'll link down below just in case you guys want to get the same items. I don't know if the TJ Maxx Home Goods stuff is online, but I'll try and see if I can find it. Okay, now we're gonna get into the stuff I got for the gallery wall. So I found this print, and this was definitely in the Home Goods section. It was only $12.99. And it says, rooted and established in love, Ephesians 3:17. And it has like these pretty flowers in the background. Thought it was really nice, simple. Next I got this, what do you call this? It's not a cork board. It's like fabric, and it comes with push pins. So you can put like pictures in here or like printouts, just to kind of like pin things on, make it like a collage. But it's a really good size. It's really nice and sturdy, and this was only $16.99. So I got that. These are just 3 smaller like wall hangings they had. This one says positive vibes. I thought the font was really cute on this one. This is only $5.99. I think that one was in the clearance section. This one says, they told me I couldn't, that's why I did. Gotta have something sassy up there, you know? And then this one, I want every girl to know that her voice can change the world. This one was only $6.99. Oh, this one was only $4.99. So I got those wall hangings. I was also really excited to find this. This is a hanging dream catcher. First of all, it's huge, but I love how it has like little mini dream catchers and feathers. Super pretty. And this was only $16.99. I love this. This is gonna look so nice hanging on the wall. Currently, Havoc is trying to get it. It's not a toy. It's not for you. Yeah, I was super stoked to find this. So I already have a little shelf that I can put as part of the gallery wall, so I got a couple things to put on that. I got this little dream, and this was only $9.99. So I got this, and then my vision is to put 2 plants like on either side of it. So I got this little potted flower plant. This was only $12.99. This one's gonna go on the other side. It's a cute little planter. So picture like this sitting in the middle with each plant on either side. So I also have these items that I didn't buy. I actually already had them, and I'm gonna see if I can make them work if I need to fill extra space. So I have this painting. I actually did this painting myself in a YouTube video, so I'll link that up above in case you wanna watch that. But I have a bunch of paintings that I've done like just for fun, so I might use some of those in the gallery wall if I need to fill extra space. I also have these cute little essential oil shelves, but I can honestly put any kind of little knickknacks on here, so I also have these that I could hang up. So I gave myself a lot of options. Now, I just have to figure out how I'm gonna arrange everything. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure the spot on the wall that I want to hang everything, get the measurements, and then I'm gonna use the floor to kind of like arrange it, see how I like everything to look. Then once I have that, I'm gonna take a picture of it and then recreate on the wall. That's my plan. Let's see how it goes.
You want 50 on the other side?
Yeah.
Dude. Okay. I'll get you one for Christmas. No. No. Stop it.
He's helping.
Well.
So we're making a box of 50 by 50. Oh my god.
Approximately. Oh, okay. All right. All right.
No, this is not for you. You're making this very difficult. See, this is where I wish you guys could be here live so you could tell me if you think the white or the black shelf looks better. I can't decide. That's the white one. Or the black one.
I personally prefer the black one.
I can't decide. I think I'm gonna go on Instagram and do a poll to try and get someone else's opinion. So I think we're leaning towards black right now, right?
Yes.
But I don't know. I keep going back and forth. I can't decide. I think I'm gonna think about it for a little bit.
I do think that no matter what, though, you're gonna have to keep the cat.
Oh.
Because he's pretty attached to what he now thinks is his cushion.
Right. And now I'm enlisting help. We're finally starting to hang things on the walls. I will show you guys the progress. Hi guys. So, kind of left you hanging in the last clip. It's actually a couple weeks later, and I realized that I never showed you the final product of the gallery wall. So, ready for the big reveal? In 3, 2, 1. So this is the final product. I actually switched out. I had a painting that I did up there originally, but I actually switched it out for this piece of bead artwork that my stepmom actually made. So that's really cool. And the dream catcher, everything else is the same that you guys saw. I did hang up some things on my push pin board. There's still room for me to add more, so that's kind of nice. And I ended up finding this like monthly calendar whiteboard situation at TJ Maxx Home Goods like a week after I filmed the rest of it. So I added that up there, and this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with it. I love the way it came out. Technically the room is not 100% done because we do eventually want to paint the walls, but I feel like it's gonna be a while before that happens. I'm still trying to decide on a color too, because originally I was gonna do like a bright blue color, but now I feel like that I have the gallery wall, it doesn't really go anymore. But anyway, so we will paint the walls eventually, but we still have time before that happens. But I thought that I could at least show you guys the finished product. The only other thing we have to do is I want to paint this bookshelf just to kind of freshen it up with a nice new coat of paint. And then obviously we're gonna like fill it in with books and decorative things and all that, but that'll be another project later on. But yeah, this is how it came out, you guys. I love it. It came out so nice, and it was really easy. It really wasn't that expensive either. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this week's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any suggestions for like what else I could do to this room to spice it up, you can leave that in a comment down below as well. I would love to hear your suggestions. And I'm excited to show you what we do with the rest of the house. I kind of want to do a video like this for every room in the house. So like this one's about the home office. The next one, I kind of want to do the gym next. So hopefully we can make that happen. But anyway, we'll see. Slowly but surely, we will do one room at a time. And we will share the journey with you guys, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye.